Hello students, in this class we will solve problems chapter 7 coordinate geometry exercise 7.1 3 example 4 4 6 14 example 5 problems. All these problems are in one model. Now let us see how to solve these problems. Before going to do problems, first we want to know about some concepts. Collinear. If 3 points A, B, C are collinear, then one of the following is true. AB plus BC plus CA. Second one, BC plus CA is equal to AB. Third one, CA plus AB is equal to BC. Means if 3 points A, B, C are collinear, then the points are on the same line. If 3 points A, B, C are collinear, then the points does not form a triangle. If 3 points A, B and C, the 3 points are on the same line, then the points are said to be collinear. When 3 points are given and it is required to prove that they form an isosceles triangle, show that two of its sides are equal. They form an equilateral triangle, show that its 3 sides are equal. They form a right angled triangle, show that the sum of the squares on 2 sides is equal to the square on the third side. Now, based on this concept, we will solve these problems in exercise 7.1 problems. Now, third problem, verify that the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 1 are collinear or not. Now let us apply the distance formula to find the distances between these points. Collinear means the points are on the same line, then the points are said to be collinear. So first write given points. Let A is equal to 1, 5, B is equal to 2, 3, C is equal to minus 2, minus 1. A, B, C. C. Now find the distances. Distance between 2 points formula we know. Two points formula, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square formula. Distance between 2 points. Now AB distance. Find AB distance. A 1, 5, B 2, 3. x1 y1 x2 y2. Now AB distance formula. x2 minus x1 is 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 3 minus 5 whole square is equal to root of 2 minus 1 whole square is 1 square plus 3 minus 5 whole square is minus 2 whole square. So is equal to root of 1 plus 4 is equal to root 5. Next BC. B point 2 comma 3. C point minus 2 comma minus 1. So BC is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X2 minus x1. So minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 3 whole square root of minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 4 whole square is equal to 16 plus 16 is equal to root 32. Next AC. A point 1 comma 5. C point minus 2 comma minus 1. So x1 y1 x2 y2. AC is equal to root of x2 minus x1 is minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 1 5 whole square is equal to root of minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square 1 minus 5 minus 6 whole square is equal to minus 3 whole square is 9 plus minus 6 whole square is 36. 36 plus 9 is root 45. See, the sum of any one of the sides is not equal to the sum of the lengths of the other two sides. So here AB is root 5 and BC is root 32. AB plus BC is not equal to AC here. So therefore the given points are not collinear. Are not collinear. This problem we can do another model also. So given points 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 1. 3 points. Area of triangle ABC. If the collinear, the points are collinear, then the area of triangle is equal to 0. Now area of triangle. See x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Area of triangle. ABC is equal to half mod formula x1 y1 can write like this: x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and also write x1, y1 here. Half mod. x1, y1 is 1, 5. x2, y2 is 2, 3. x3, y3 is -2, -1. And x1, y1 is 1, 5. Now 1 by 2 into 1 3s are 3 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 2 into -1 -2 minus of -6 plus to -2 into 5 -10 minus -1 is equal to 1 by 2 modulus -7 plus -2 plus 6 plus -10 plus 1, so is equal to 1 by 2 minus 7, 6 minus 2 plus 4, minus 10 plus 1 minus 9, so is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of -12 is equal to 1 by 2 into 12. So 2 table 12 6 times 6 square units. Here area of triangle ABC is not equal to 0. So the given points are not non-collinear. You can do any one of these two models. Now example 4. Show that the points A 4, 2, B 7, 5 and C 9, 7 are 3 points lie on a same line. So write first given points. Given A 4, 2, B 7, 5, C 9, 7 points. Now let us apply distance formula to find the distances. AB distance formula, distance between 2 points, points formula, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square formula. So first find the distance AB. A point 4, 2, B point 7, 5. Now AB distance. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square is 7 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 5 minus 2 whole square is equal to root of 7 minus 4 whole square is 3 square plus 5 minus 2 whole square is 3 square is equal to root 9 plus 9 is equal to root 18. Next, find distance BC. B point 7, 5 C point 9 comma 7, x1 y1 x2 y2. So BC is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square is 9 minus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 7 minus 5 whole square. 9 minus 7 whole square is 2 square plus 7 minus 5 whole square is 2 square. 2 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4 root 8. Next, find distance between AC. A point 4 comma 2, C point 9 comma 7, x1 y1 x2 y2. AC is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square is 9 minus 4 whole square plus 7 minus 2 whole square. 9 minus 4 whole square is 5 square plus 7 minus 2 whole square is 5 square. So root 5 square plus 5 square is 25 plus 25 is 50. AB distance is root 18. It can be written as 18 is equal to 9 into 2. So 3 root 2. Next, BC distance is root 8 is equal to, can be written as 4 2s are is equal to 2 root 2. Next, AC distance, it is root 50. So root of 25 into 2, 5 root 2. We know A point, B point, C point are on the same line, then the given points are collinear. Here AB distance is 3 root 2, BC distance is 2 root 2. So total distance 3 plus 2, 5 root 2. So the given points are said to be collinear. AB plus BC is equal to AC. Then the given points are collinear. Next, fourth problem. Check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4, 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means the lengths of two sides of triangle is equal, then it is said to be an isosceles triangle. Now let us apply the distance formula. A, B, C. Given vertices, let A is equal to, given vertices are these three vertices. Now 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2. Let A is equal to 5 comma minus 2. B is equal to 6 comma 4. C is equal to 7 comma minus 2. Now find the distance between AB. So we know distance formula. Between 2 points, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So root of A point 5 comma minus 2, B point 6 comma 4. Now AB distance x1 y1 x2 y2. So root of x2 minus x1 whole square is 6 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 4 minus of minus 2 whole square is root of 6 minus 5 whole square is 1 square plus 4 minus of minus 2 4 plus 2 6 square. Root of 1 square plus 6 square is 37. Next BC. B point 6 comma 4. C point 7 comma minus 2. So BC is equal to root of x1 y1 x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square is 7 minus 6 plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 4 whole square is equal to 7 minus 6 whole square 1 square plus minus 6 whole square is equal to root of 1 square 1 plus 6 square 37. Next AC. A point 5 comma minus 2. C point 7 comma minus 2. x1 y1 x2 y2. So AC is equal to root of x2 minus x1 is 7 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square is equal to 7 minus 5 2 square plus minus 2 plus 2 whole square is 0. Root 4 is equal to 2. See AB distance here root 32. AC distance is 2. BC distance is root 32. So these two sides are equal. Here AB is equal to BC. So the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now sixth problem. Equilateral triangle. Show that the following points form an equilateral triangle. A comma 0, B minus A comma 0, C 0 comma A root 3. Now apply the distance formula to find the distances. First, let the given points let A given, yes, given A comma 0, B minus A comma 0, C 0 comma A root 3. Now find the distance between AB. Formula, distance between 2 points, formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square formula. Now AB points distance. A comma 0, B point minus A comma 0. So x1 y1, x2 y2. AB root of x2 minus x1 is minus A whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square is 0. So root of minus A minus 2A whole square is equal to minus 2A whole square is 4A square is 2A. Next, find BC distance. BC minus A comma 0, C 0 comma A root 3, x1 y1, x2 y2. So BC is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 0 minus of minus A whole square plus y2 minus y1, A root 3 minus 0 whole square. So is equal to 0 root of minus into minus plus A square plus A root 3 whole minus 0 is A root 3 whole square is equal to root of A square plus A root 3 whole square is 3A square is equal to root of 4A square. It can be written as 2A. Now AC. A point A comma 0, C point 0 comma A root 3, x1 y1, x2 y2. So AC is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square is 0 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 A root 3 minus 0 whole square. 0 square 0 plus A root 3 minus 0 whole square is A root 3 whole square is 0 plus 3A square. This is A minus 0, A square, 3A square. Okay. A square plus 3A square is root 4A square. So it is equal to 2A. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. The 3 points the formed an equilateral triangle. Next problem. Example 14. Can you draw a triangle with vertices 1, 5, 5, 8 and 13, 14? Give reason. Example 14. 14th problem. Now find the distances first. Let the given points first. Let A 1, 5, B 5, 8, C 13, 14 points. So now find the distances first. AB distance. A 1, 5, B 5, 8, x1, y1, x2, y2. So AB distance. AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square is a formula. We know formula y2 minus y1 whole square. 5 minus 1 whole square plus 8 minus 5 whole square equal to 5 minus 1 whole square is 4 square plus 8 minus 5 whole square is 3 square. 4 square is 16 plus 9 is root 25 is equal to 5. Next, find the distance between BC. B 5, 8, C 13, 14. Now BC distance. Root of x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square is 13 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 14 minus 8 whole square. 13 minus 5 whole square is 8 square plus 14 minus 8 is 6 square. Root of 8 square is 64 plus the 6 square is 36. Now root 100 is equal to 10. Now find the distance between AC. A point 1, 5, C point 13, 14, x1, y1, x2, y2. So AC formula is, we know distance formula. Root of x2 minus x1 is 13 minus 1 whole square plus 14 minus 5 whole square. 13 minus 1 is 12 square. 14 minus 5 whole square is 9 square. 12 square plus 9 square is 144 plus 81 is equal to root 225 is equal to 15 units. So here AB is equal to 5 units. Next BC is equal to 10 units and AC is equal to 15 units. So AB plus BC is equal to AC here. So the 3 points A, B, C, 3 points A, B, 10, 5, 15. The 3 points are in one line. So the given points are collinear. So the given points are not formed a triangle because the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. Then only the triangle formed. Now example 5. Are the points 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3 and 2, 3 forms a triangle? Let A 3, 2, B minus 2, minus 3, C 2, 3 points. Now let us apply the distance formula to find the distances AB, BC, CA. AB, A point 3, 2, B point minus 2, minus 3. So x1 by 1, x2 by 2. We know distance between 2 points formula. AB distance x2 minus x1 is minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 2 minus 3 whole square minus 5 whole square plus minus 5 whole square is equal to root 25 plus 25 is equal to root 50. AB is root 50. Next BC. B point minus 2, minus 3. C point 2, 3. So x1 by 1, x2 by 2. BC distance x2 minus x1 is 2 minus of minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 3 minus of minus 3 whole square is 2 plus 2 whole square is 4 plus 6 square. 4 square plus 6 square is root of 16 plus 36 is root 52 is root 52. Now find the distance of AC. So A point 3, 2, C point 2, 3, x1 by 1, x2 by 2. Now AC distance. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square is 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square is 2 minus 3 whole square is minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square 1 square is root of 1 square plus 1 square is root 2. So AB distance already we find root 50, that is approximately 7.07 units. BC distance is we find 52, that is approximate value 7.21 units. AC distance is root 2, that is 1.41 approximate value. So we know the sum of any two of these distances is greater than the third distance, then the points ABC are formed a triangle. So here the given points formed a triangle. So the given the condition is satisfied in the problem. So the given points formed a triangle. These are all the solutions. Thank you.